Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 20SE, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to be right over here as a first entry on the second page. So once you find it, you can either tap on it to turn it on, but I do recommend you to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you'll be able to change things like the hotspot password, which by default, as you can see, it is just some random password. So let's remove this one and make our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length. Additionally, you can also change the hotspot name right here. It is always going to have the name of the device, so in this case the TCL 20SE. Then if we tap on advanced, we also have amount of users that can connect at a single moment. So by default it looks to be 8, which is also looking to be maximum amount, a little bit too many. So I'm gonna select 2. Then I have turn off hotspot automatically. I would recommend you to check this on. This will allow you to kind of not think about it. Once you're done using the hotspot, after it looks like 90 seconds, it will turn off automatically, so you won't actually have to do anything extra, which is a really nice feature because personally I do forget to turn it off, and it will consume more of your battery. Even though you're not using it, it still uses the phone's battery to broadcast the signal. So this will help you a lot. And then below that we have the connected users and blocked users. So you can block connected users and unblock them if you want to, and it gives you also the information who is blocked and who is connected. And at this moment it's no one. So anyway, once you set it all up, you can leave this and never come back to it again. And all you need to do now is simply toggle the hotspot on and off whenever you need it, or just on if you're relying on the auto turn off. And that's it. That is how you'd enable it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.